All right, George Jimmy Sports Cards here. We're doing box number 7 of the Master Case. GI Collectibles Basketball Master Collection. Good luck. Again, we're doing this one divisional. Nope. What's this? So you got Ty Lawson, 4-color patch autograph from 11-12 Limited for the Nuggets. 11-12 Limited for the Nuggets, 4-color patch. Nuggets is Northwest and Snajuice. Snajuice. And it looks like we're going this way. Looks like Prism. Oh, nice. For the Lake Show, Jerry West. Jerry West autograph, Prism. Pacific and a 1-to-1. Gets a Kobe, now Jerry West on this one. That's numbered. What's the numbering on that? No numbering? There's no numbering on that one. Jerry West autograph. There you go, Chris. Congrats, guys. Sorry for those who did not hit on that one.